and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making a tray featuring Miraculous Ladybug. I've had these stickers for a long time now and I've been wanting to do something with them, but until now I haven't quite figured out what to do. So today I got an idea. I wanted to make a tray, and not just any tray, a large jewelry tray. So here is my silicone mold. I have a large rectangular tray. This one is actually really big. I also have a ring mold. This one is in the shape of a diamond, and I have a flower mold. So I was thinking of putting these two smaller ones on top once they're done. So the colors we're going to use today are red and black. And we will also use some gold flakes. I just really love gold flakes, so I'm going to use them again. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's go ahead and mix our resin. Let's start with the flower bowl. We're going to pour clear resin into the flower mold. In the middle, we'll add some gold flakes. Then, taking a red pigment mixed with resin, we're going to pour rings around the gold. We'll alternate the red with each ring. And we'll set this aside to cure. Next, let's make the crystal ring holder. We're going to first pour some clear into the mold, add the gold flakes, and then poke the resin a few times to make sure the resin goes all the way down to the tip and there are no bubbles. Then we'll fill it up the rest of the way with black. Now for the plate. I'm going to pour the two different shades of red into the rectangle mold. Then on top, I'm going to add a few swirls of black. And now we'll wait for everything to cure. It's been a day. Let's go ahead and demold the plate. It hasn't been a full day yet, so as you can see, the resin is still a little bit soft. It seems like the black didn't travel or blend as much as I liked. On the back side, you can hardly see the black, but I think it still looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and place the stickers. And let's demold the ring holder. Oh, look at this. This is looking really good. And here's a flower. It's also so pretty. Alright, so to make the bowl, we're going to have to bend it. But as you can see, it's actually really hard to bend right now. So I'm afraid it might be too late. Let's go ahead and try it anyways. I'm going to push it down into the bowl and tape it down to see if we can force it to bend. So it's been a few hours. Let's check on the flower bowl. Oh no! As you can see, the resin was too far along and instead of bending, it just cracked. So this is not usable. This is too bad because it was so pretty. Let's go ahead and make another one. Alright everyone, so here is the second try, and this time the flower is fine, it did not crack, so that's really great. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bowl. I used some saran wrap so that it does not stick. And there it is. Oh, this is so nice, look at this. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. Let's go ahead and place the flowers in the corner here. We have a little ring holder. Let's peel the stickers and stick them onto the plate. put Tiki down in the middle. Okay, let's put Plague down. And of course, here is Waze. Now we need to pour one more layer of resin to cover the stickers. This time I'm going to add some glitter. Let's add a bowl in the ring holder. And while the resin is still wet, let's add some gold flakes. I didn't add it to the resin before because I didn't want the flakes to cover the stickers. Alright everyone, so here is the plate so far. It is looking fantastic. Oh my goodness, the second layer is super glossy. So over here we have our little ring stand and we have a little dish over here. And I think the last thing we need to do is kind of finish off this side. So I am going to be using a gold leafing pen and we are just going to color the sides of the plate and also on the flower. And these pens are really easy to use. You just draw it on and you're done. Alright everyone, and we are done. Just take a look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the stickers embedded in it, and you can see a little bit of glitter and also the gold flakes. And we have our little ring holder and our little trinket dish. So let's go ahead and add our rings. We have 2 rings here we can add. Over here we can put some items in the little dish. And we still have the rest of the plate. So we can put some keychains down. Maybe add a few bottles of glitter. And maybe even add a little figure. Alright everyone, I had a lot of fun. What do you think of my dish? If you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!